Hello everybody, today I want to talk to you about how to see other viewers on Facebook story using iPhone. That is so possible or not? Not is possible, okay? I just want to make this video because I watch another people in other videos say you can use that with that app or with that page or in this app again. Or with that extension on your Google Chrome. Not is possible. Forget that, okay? That people is bad. Only one steal your personal information, okay? When the people say, hey, use that extension, and you use that extension and give that in extension give allow, okay, and accept terms and conditions, you can give your personal information. It's so weird. Not is necessary, okay? Forget that. Not is possible, okay? I just want to say that because I watch a lot videos about that theme, and it's awful content, okay? Be careful with links. Be careful with the links. The people want to say, hey, in my description you can find links about that or about that extension, or in that app you can use watch another viewers. It's so weird and don't trust him, okay? This is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day.